YouTube, what's up? It's Rob with Spray or Splash Fragrance Reviews. I've got two new fragrances I'd like to introduce to you. If you're interested in finding out what those fragrances are, please stay tuned. First fragrance is one from the House of Amore Oud. This is Smoky Citrus. And the fragrance smells just like the name. Now, I must say this. When you first spray the fragrance for like the first 10 to 20 seconds, you're going to smell this, right? Acqua di Gio Profumo. But it's only briefly. After that time, this smoke accord becomes so strong and comes to the front so much it no longer smells anything like Profumo at all. This is a niche fragrance to its very core. It's not going to be one that's going to appeal to the masses, but it does have an appeal to it, and I see this as being a signature scent for some guys. It is basically a bright citrus like bergamot, but at the heart it's got this woody, like dry, woody, smoky accord. It is a great performing fragrance. You can get easily like 7 to 8 hours out of the fragrance. It works in a multitude of settings, and I can see the fragrance being worn spring, summer, and fall. I don't think it's got enough to make it in the wintertime, but it's definitely signature scent worthy. One that you can find gray market for about $100. So it's very reasonably priced, and one I think, you know, the niche heads that are looking for a slightly different take on a citrus fragrance are going to find enjoyable. Okay, so again, from the House of Amore Oud, this is Smoky Citrus. Next up is one from the House of Orto Parisi. This is Bergamasque. It's one I've had my eye on for quite some time. Finally pulled the trigger. You can find fragrances in that line within this price range of about like $120 to like $150. The fragrances are well done and perform quite well. So this is a 50 ml bottle, believe it or not. Because it's so strong, this is actually a value because you'll never really use this bottle up, in my opinion. It's just that strong. 2-3 sprays max, you're good. If you're going to be indoors, I would say spray once, see how it does, and if you want to increase that, you can always come back the next day with more sprays. But don't go spraying this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times and thinking I'm good because it's a citrus fragrance. Absolutely not. This is way too strong for that. Just like the title suggests, this is a bergamot and musk fragrance. The bergamot is very, very bright, very punchy, does not smell artificial at all, and it's accompanied by this really nice clean musk. Musk is not soapy, it's not animalic, it's just this clean, maybe slightly powdery musk accord. If I smelled this fragrance in the air, if I was out in public someplace, I would automatically think this is a well-groomed person that is well-dressed. Maybe not dressed up, but well-dressed. All right, I think that this is a definite win because of the polish to the fragrance and the way it comes off. It's simplistic and it's almost perfection. All right, so I know I'm speaking very highly of the fragrance, but I think it's that good. If you've never gotten your nose on this one, I highly recommend checking this one out. If you are looking for a nice, bright, kind of musky but clean citrus fragrance that's got power and will last you your whole day, Bergamasque, Orto Parisi. Guys, I thank you so much for coming back to the channel, checking the videos out. I have more coming up real soon. I'll talk to you later.